Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So here we are at the front of the store of Dollar Tree looking at the seasonal items. So let's take a walk and look around to see what they have, guys. Come with me. So now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. Now, did you know that when you full watch the video and you click that like button, you help me to grow on YouTube? Now, don't forget to comment below because I would love to hear from you. I'm going to go ahead and play some music as I go around showing you all of the seasonal stuff. So, I'll see you at the end. So now I noticed they brought a lot of their vase items to the front of the store. I'm not sure what that's about, but it's over here with the seasonal stuff, guys. So I just want you to see they're sneaking in their Christmas stuff. Oh my goodness. Show you over here is these Rubbermaid containers right here. They go pretty quickly, and these are great for when you're giving some food to take home. Those are awesome. So if you see them, grab them. It's so funny. I'm so used to calling these rubber containers Rubbermaid containers, but they're Dollar Tree containers, guys. you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.